Alright, Matthew Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. Here we are at another one of my school projects, Port Augusta West Primary School. And Michael's done really quite well. If you remember, this was full of clover and we got rid of that with the bow and arrow. So what we've got now, got a little bit of a challenge. Got contacted by the school the other week. It's like we're doing our, when is it, Michael? 5th of December? Yeah, they've got like some show here at 5th of December. Where they sort of just use this area. What is this, a gym, is it? Yeah, they use this area next to the gym, and this is where they sort of like set up their display, and they just want to get this looking a bit nicer. The problem being is that the students will be like sort of sitting down in this area and there's no grass. So this is actually totally just compacted, rutted out. It's actually lower, just a fair bit lower. So hard that there's no chance for the grass to grow. So what we're going to do is we'll get to that with some tools, loosen up the soil a bit. I'm going to put some fresh stuff down, so we've got some smaller areas there, might not be able to see because of the shade, that we're going to do. And we're just going to give just the area at the front here, so about 200 square meters, the good old Lawnporn treatment. We'll put down some moist for soil wetting, and we'll put down our 4 seasons fertiliser. Today is, what's today? The 16th of December. Yeah. So we've only got to the 5th of December, so I've only got 2 and a bit weeks. This is some Heinrichs 821, 20 square metres of kikuyu. No, that's okay. Soil, we're thinking it out where the edges of the grass are. I'm just going to fill in the soil. Just fill it in and level it off that way. If we get a little bit on top, it doesn't matter. There you go. That evens it out real nice. Alright, so now we're going to put down our soil wetter, moist soil wetter. We're putting the moist down so the water penetrates the soil and also keeps the water at the root zone evenly. It'll save a bit of evaporation, and basically if you want to use less water, and who doesn't want to use less water, use your soil wetters. So straight after putting the soil wetter down, I put down 4 Seasons fertiliser at a full rate. The camera wasn't turned on for that one, so apologies for that, but as soon as I put the 4 Seasons down, after putting the moist down, I watered that in with about a good 30 minutes worth of water. It's great. Michael kept the watering up for a week, every day, early in the morning and in the late afternoon. Good half hour each time. Hey look, we're 1 week after we did the top dressing and putting down the new stuff. Just come along so well. So what we did, just a quick rundown what we did, there was some compacted areas that had no grass whatsoever. We got to that with a mattock and a pitchfork, tried to release the compaction a bit, and then we put down some 821 Topdress from Hydrix in those areas, but also a nice layer on Topdress where we did have lawn. Then we put down some moist and we put down some 4 Seasons, and look, already we've got just so much coverage. It's just really come along. You can see the deeper green that it's got compared to the rest of the oval, which hasn't been treated, but look, the rest of the oval is actually looking quite good. Good credit to Michael there. So today, what we're going to do is just some of the areas of top dress that were a bit thick, we're going to thin out a bit. We'll expose a bit more grass there, and then we'll put down a light dose of launch and root builder. So this has come along really well. In 1 week, we've got a lot of coverage already, and I expect in, what have we got? Basically 12 days, that this is really going to come together, mow up quite nicely. So today I've done launch and root builder, both at 50 mils per 100 square meters, just to get a bit more root activity and a bit more growth and conditioning. Midweek, I'll jump the gun a little bit, probably around about Wednesday, weather dependent of course, and I'll get the charger down and really whoosh it up, get a mow in probably by Saturday next weekend, and then we won't be too far off. So I'll decide what I'll do right there and then. It's looking real nice and green, and yeah, it is. You know, just probably mow, or maybe add a bit of a green light root builder app. But yeah, just gonna do the extra yards and make sure this bit comes up really nice. It would have been a real shame if the students were sitting on 2 bare, really big bare bits of ground, because this is the front bit next to the gym is where they're doing their event. So yeah, it's gonna be all right. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Get your lawn on.